Good morning. Let's learn some simple morning actions. The first action verb, get. I get up early. I get up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get ready. I get ready for a wonderful day. The second action verb, take. I take a shower. I take a shower. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I take my vitamins. I take my vitamins. I take my keys. I take my keys. I take my bag. I take my bag. The third action verb, go. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I go outside. I go outside. I go to work. I go to work with a smile. The fourth action verb, make. I make my bed. I make my bed neatly. I make my coffee. I make my coffee. I make breakfast. I make a simple breakfast. I make toast and eggs. I make toast and eggs. The last action verb, have. I have coffee. I have coffee. I have my breakfast. I have a good breakfast. I have some water. I have some water. I have a great time. I have a great time. Now it's your turn to practice these action verbs. What do you do in the morning? Comment below. Oh, and I made a PDF mind map for this lesson. If you want to practice more, you can download it for free. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.